Mailmodo Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Mailmodo are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Mailmodo, an email marketing tool that stands out by enabling interactive AMP emails. Unlike traditional email marketing platforms that rely on static emails with external links, Mailmodo allows users to embed forms, surveys, appointment booking, and product purchases directly inside emails, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Mailmodo is designed for businesses, marketers, and e-commerce brands looking to boost email performance with dynamic, interactive content. The platform offers a no-code email builder that makes it easy to design AMP emails with a drag-and-drop interface. You can create polls, quizzes, or even checkout forms within the email itself, reducing friction and improving user experience. One of Mailmodo's key advantages is its high deliverability rate. It integrates with SMTP providers like Amazon SES and SendGrid, ensuring better inbox placement and minimizing spam issues. The platform also supports A/B testing, segmentation, and automation workflows, allowing marketers to send targeted and behavior-driven campaigns. For analytics, Mailmodo provides detailed insights, including open rates, click-through rates, and interactions within the email. Since users can complete actions inside the email itself, engagement tracking is more accurate compared to traditional platforms. The automation engine enables drip sequences, follow-ups, and personalized responses based on user behavior. Mailmodo also integrates with popular CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and marketing tools, making it a versatile option for businesses of all sizes. It offers a free plan for up to 10,000 emails per month, while premium plans unlock advanced automation, priority support, and higher sending limits. Overall, Mailmodo is an innovative email marketing tool that leverages AMP technology to drive higher engagement and conversions. If you're looking to move beyond static emails and create interactive, high-performing campaigns, Mailmodo is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.